She lives in this house, it's way too loud. If she knew how, she'd let herself out. She said, it's not a home, it's overgrown. Nothing's my own, I'm just a clone. My heart is sown, but I'm still alone. She's missing out, there is no doubt. If she knew how, she'd never breathe